alloy tray is on, but of course there's always something that needs to be custom made. Obviously, because I've got the underdrawer slide out kitchen, the tray mounts just won't fit. So I am going to make up some new ones to weld onto that. This is an existing body mount which I need to cut off, and that's some other mounts. I don't know, there's one at the front as well. They all need to come off, and I need to make all custom made ones to suit this size because I'm happy with where it's sitting. So let's get the plasma cutter, the sheet of 3mm mild steel, and start making up steel. So I've made one off camera just to try and wrap my head around how all of this works. It has turned out pretty good. So I could possibly cut the existing ones off, but all of this is going to be hidden by toolboxes and mud guards and ties and stuff like that, so you're not going to see them. And in the end I'll end up painting it with that car builder's textured stuff. So I'll show you how I made this, but for the other side. So here we are. I've marked out my bit of mild steel. The crosses are the fold lines. I didn't run through all the measurements with you because of course everyone's going to be different. So this is probably one of the hard parts to work out. So now that's all been cut out with the plasma cutter. What I'm going to do, because I can't fit it in my press bender, is get the angle grinder and cut these lines down here, my fold lines, and that, fold it all up and then chuck a weld down there. Okay, so I've got those cut lines in there. All I'm going to do now, chuck it in the vise. That's come out a pretty good 90 degree, and then yeah, with that cut line I can just put a weld in there and then linish that all down. So there we are. What I might do once it's all together is drill some, nice holes in there. I do have a dimple die, so I could even do that. Alright, there we go. So what I'll do is, once this cools down, I'll chuck it on the linisher around those corners. You won't even be able to tell. Well, there we have it. There is one body mount or tray mount done. So what I'll do now is go and tack this in, and I'll just leave it the mould steel because, as I said before, it's going to be coated in that car builder's textured stuff.